The silence left behind after a sudden workforce loss in manufacturing is more than just an empty shift. It's a shockwave that stalls production, rattles communities, and puts decades of expertise on the line. Factories today face these disruptions with alarming frequency. An ice raid, a sweeping illness, or sudden mass resignations can leave managers scrambling and production grinding to a halt. This isn't just theory. In Ohio, aerospace manufacturer Rimeco had a full order book but not enough workers after the pandemic. Rather than accept defeat, Rimeco integrated robots to automate repetitive processes, slashing labor costs and dramatically shortening payback periods. Their effort aligned with global leaders like GE Bromont, whose Quebec robotics hub now uses over 150 robots in forging, inspection, and assembly, helping standardize work, accelerate rollouts, and reduce integration time across GE plants worldwide. Another example, Rockwell Automation leveraged real-time analytics and digital twins to simulate new production lines before deployment. They saw a 33% increase in labor efficiency and a 70% boost in output at one facility, all while handling high turnover and skill shortages with a more resilient digital approach. Automation isn't just for the largest manufacturers. Moondarra Cheese in Australia automated 4 cream cheese lines, boosting line speed by 30% and saving over $1 million annually. Even small firms have adopted CNC machine tending robots, automated bottling, and packaging systems to bridge labor gaps, protect quality, and let people focus on higher value work. The lesson is clear. Automation stands as a frontline defense. Collaborative robots, automated handling, and AI-powered quality control keep production moving, even as unpredictable disruptions threaten the status quo. In the US, Schneider Electric and Amazon are also leveraging advanced robotics and AI to not only fill missing jobs, but empower employees with more meaningful, tech-driven careers. Don't wait for crisis. Take control of your operations' future now. Explore how automation builds resilience, stabilizes workflow, and renews productivity no matter what comes next. Connect with experts at Automation Distribution today. Schedule a demo or read the full article at automationdistribution.com for actionable strategies and real-world results. Turn the risk of disruption into your company's next opportunity. Get resilient now.